McKinley! What is that, McKinley?
It's mine. You found it.
I found it! Come here and show it to me.
Does she have more, Mom?
No. Do you want to try it on?
Yes.
Okay. It's beautiful. I love it.
Call my bus, Mom.
Yeah?
Call my bus. Oh, I have puzzle idea.
You want Daddy to help you?
I'm gonna read these books.
Hey, baby. Baby, sit in here.
Are you going to put your Rapunzel dress on?
And the baby. And this baby right here.
You can put your new princess crown on. And your glasses. Oh, McKinley, you're going to be beautiful.
I know. Step up. Right here, right over Daddy. Yeah.
Oh, McKinley.
Two dresses.
You're wearing two dresses.
McKinley, you look just like Rapunzel.
Oh boy, McKinley.
Let me see. Turn around. Oh my goodness, you're Rapunzel. Get your crown on.
Here. Here you go.
Thanks. I'll do it.
Oh.
And where's your boa at?
Oh, you want your bow? Where did it go?
It's right
Oh, okay. Come here.
McKinley!
It's so pretty. So pretty.
Is that your Rapunzel hair?
Oh, is that your hair?